The Microsoft Power Platform has been a huge part of our success. The tools and the products have really empowered our mission and our team to succeed.
But being involved in the community allows you to realise that you've got a support network of so many people that you can reach out to.
My career would not be where it is today if it was not for the community. I am a product of the community.
It's like a family which has become so strong and so powerful. Everyone who has any questions, #PowerAddicts, you get an answer.
But by being part of this community, it's given me a chance to not only solve business problems, but also help bridge the gap and help new people find new skills.
The Power Platform has allowed my teachers, my students, and myself to do more in less time.
The Power Platform community has meant we are able to deliver incredible innovation really quickly, and has meant that I've made just a wonderful group of friends.